In this video, we're going to go over how to locate Virginia court records. To get started, visit virginiapublicrecords.org, and you'll notice on the home page there are multiple databases alphabetized. These are public databases available in the state of Virginia to the public. So if in case you need to look at some other databases, you have quite an extensive list here. Now, we also have created pages for specific record, like most sought after records. So anything from background checks to criminal records. Hover over other records, you'll notice the court records page and various other things like vital information, property records, warrants, inmate searches, things like that. But this video is about court records, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Once you're on this page, what you'll notice is you have your state court record tools, various courts, and a description of exactly the types of court records or the types of court cases specific types of courts handle, and then the links associated if there is an online access available for that particular court. So very simple, very self-explanatory. The page is pretty easy to use, and like I said, you have other options like public records, and maybe you might want to look into more criminal record information, things like that. Your other option is to use the name search on top. Now, this doesn't just look at county records, state records. This goes outside the state. So it pulls records from multiple states, multiple databases, not just court records, all sorts of public databases and public and private databases. And by private, I mean it could be maybe cell phone information, previous addresses, things like that. Why consider doing a check that looks at other states? Well, you might be looking up, say, a criminal court record in the state of Virginia, but say the person is coming from, say, Georgia or Florida, and maybe they had a criminal court record a few years back. Now they moved to Virginia. If you're just doing the state check, you're obviously not necessarily going to see something that's out of state. So if you want to have all your bases covered, that's also an option here for you, and on top of the available state tools and the recommended databases vendors by the state. So once again, it's virginiapublicrecords.org. Come on down and get started on your Virginia court record search. Thank you.